everybody, coming to you here from Moine Beach. It's a beautiful day around 12:30 in the afternoon. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? A lot of dogs. A lot of beach dogs out here chilling, kicking it with a great view of the ocean. You see a lot of these small circular boats, and I think that bowl shape is pretty difficult to sink, so it's also inexpensive. Some of them have motors, some of them do not. They all have Vietnamese flags, and at night they have a red flashing light. A lot of shells on the beach, crabs, many types of shellfish. Now we're coming to the seafood market, where they have many types of fresh seafood that they just got out of the water. Let's go through and see what they have. Many types of seafood and many people from different parts of the world. Can you tell what language they were speaking? Fresh. Can't get much fresher than that. Fishing village where you can see a lot of these little circular boats and also the larger vessels that they use to go to the deep sea. For around 1 million VND, which is like 40 bucks, you can go out on a vessel and get as much seafood as you can catch. That's a pretty good deal if you can seafood. And of course, wherever there's human beings, there's going to be a little bit of plastic left behind. So hopefully we can have some initiatives to help clean up any trash around the environment and use it to make some sustainable furniture or other projects that we can recycle and upcycle. Things that are thrown away. Because health is wealth, and we are our environment. So if the environment is not healthy, then we are not healthy. Future. That's Vietnamese for do you understand yet? Here we can see the boats up close. And this is the end of the line. Thanks for tuning in with us today. We're gonna head on back down, and you can catch us in part 2. Peace.